Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to all members of the SDAR Gavel Club. Since this is our last meeting for 2019, I would like to express my gratitude to all of you who have supported the Gavel Club throughout this year. I know that my journey here for 5 years has been amazing, and for all of you, especially the Form 1s, Form 2s, Form 3s and Form 4s, you still have a long way to go, so make sure you enjoy it to the very end. And I hope that next year will be another year of exceptional achievements. For example, this year we managed to host a workshop with primary school students. Yes. We managed to deal with kids who we have no experience of dealing with.
Yes.
And the Gavel Club, members of the Gavel Club also achieved platinum for fully residential schools international exposure. That was a very good achievement. And to all the achievements that Go mentioned.
Yeah. This year, we produced 9 competent Gavel communicators and 1 advanced Gavel communicator bronze.
Congratulations to everyone, to all 9, and to everyone who have completed their speech. Make sure you achieve that competent Gavel communicator what you call?
Bronze.
Bronze, if you can, but at least achieve competent Gavel communicator, because I heard from Fidaus, our
Former president.
He said that certificate can really help you in an interview.
Open doors to the girls.
Maybe not that. Maybe not that. No, you will open doors to a girl's heart.
Wow! That is better than the dormitory. Yeah.
Okay, so I wish best of luck to next year's president Ilyas and all the members of the SDAR Gavel Club. And I would like to apologize if there are any wrongdoings that I've committed throughout my whole 1 year in service of president. And once again, good luck and do your best.